Oh, the one I forget to put the green onion.
Oh yeah.
The first one I made.
Hannah, no.
What's she doing?
She's biting my thing again. Oh, the imitation crab. You got onions in there?
Oh no.
Green onion? No?
I don't know what they put. I put the one I have.
Well, that's okay.
I put the cucumber.
Oh, cucumber and
green onion.
Green onion, a little lettuce.
Carrot.
Oh, there's carrots in there too.
And this how you say English? Same ขนมจีนอะเส้นหมี่
Oh yeah. So there's
noodle.
real fine noodles in there. Oh,
yeah.
Well, let's not talk about it. Let's just eat.
And some I do not good to see the one open.
It's okay.
But, you take your.
As long as they taste good. Here, I'll take my. You can take yours. We got 3 dogs playing around us right now.
You see, you cannot do like this. You need to do put on top like this.
I can. No, that's all right.
Because make not drop.
อร่อยมาก delicious.
Yummy. What you say? Yummy, delicious, good. What kind of word you need to say?
Any of them.
Why not have one?
In Thai, we say อร่อยมาก That means very good, delicious. But it's not Thai food. I think it's like what, Vietnamese or Chinese? I don't even know.
Not Thai. If Thai, I will make beautiful more than this.
But
So good.
Sue made them in our van. This is good. I think these ships are out there. They're actually out there
Outside.
waiting to come in. Because there was a bunch of them this morning.
Okay.
Are dogs supposed to eat that?
Yeah.
Nope, they are. Hannah. Hannah might be getting a new home soon.
Maybe not.
Maybe not, huh? Somebody says they're gonna come get her. Actually, what kind of stat to get rid of her? She's such a, I don't want to say a good dog.
No, she good.
She chews up wires and
Okay.
I wake up at night. She's got my glasses chewing.
She run past my head.
Yeah, jumps on our head while we're sleeping.
I'm good.
I don't want any more, honey. There's 2 left. I'm eating one, you eat one. I think I ate most of them. Cheers. Go swimming. Go swim.
We see the big boat, but we not see because you drive drive too slow.
Yeah. Now we'll let the dogs out for a little bit.
Okay.
Here you go, babe.
Don't jump on me. Oh, Hannah fall down. Heather, come. Harry, come here.
Come here, baby.
Good boy, good girl. Heather, come. Good girl.